Hey guys, what's up? This is Shubhadeep from eGadgets for you. And in this video, we will talk about the new features of Android 7.0, better known as Android Nougat. There has been some beta versions that has been rolled in some of the handsets lately, but officially this particular OS from Android is available in the Google Pixel series and also in some of the HTC handsets that they're saying nowadays. The premium handset from most of the companies including Samsung, Xiaomi, OnePlus 3, each and everything will also get this Nougat update as well. So let's dig deep and talk about the 10 most important features that comes in this particular OS. Firstly, with Android 7.0 or the beta version of Android 7.1, the most important update is a multitasking split screen ability. With the split screen, you get to choose between the apps that you have used. Like you have to long press the recent apps button, and from there you can divide your screen into two halves and you get the ability to resize them. Now this particular feature works both in the portrait as well as in the landscape mode, but the resizing is restricted to portrait mode only. In landslide mode, the screen gets divided into two equal halves. The second most important feature is a quick switching ability. Now with this particular feature, you get to toggle between your two recent apps. Like suppose you open YouTube and you open any browser, then when you double tap on the recent app icon, it gives you the ability to switch between two screens when you're in the full screen mode of one particular app. So it's a great feature for multitasking. So that way it gives you a lot of ability to play around with your Android device. The notifications area in Nougat has undergone a major makeover. Mind you, with the Android 7.0, the notifications is pretty much responsive for the users. You get the quick action guides for all the notifications in your Android handsets. Like say for example, you get one particular notification, now you do not need to open the full app and you can quick reply it from the notifications bar itself. Again, the functionality is not restricted to quick replies. You can share, delete, archive and whatnot from the notifications area itself. So that's a great boost in dealing with your Android handsets. There are new 72 emoji icons that are added to Android Nougat. Overall, there is a total of 1500 emote icons available with Android 7.0. It's great keeping in mind the messaging parts and also the trend of social medias nowadays. You get good screen covers, good themes and good wallpapers to choose from with Android Nougat as well. So from a user perspective and a display perspective, it works great too. With the Android 7.0, the objective is not only to make things better. The main object is to make it more flexible and less complex for the users to use it. So as a result of which, the booting speed has come down drastically low. And also it requires only 960 MB to store the entire OS version of Android 7.0. So that way it gives a good feeling to the users from a user experience point of view as well. With Android Nougat, in the settings department, there has been some changes. The entire settings has changed in a way so that all the details that contains in the settings tab under any Android phones, you can find the synopsis or small parts of the text just under that particular option. So it gives you an idea that what that particular point or that particular tab is all about and you can use it. The Do Not Disturb tab allows you to set permission or so as to choose from total silence, alarms only and priority only from a fixed period of time or for indefinite period of time. Now, the overall experience is that you can also set exceptions to this rule. So that way, Do Not Disturb has also become quite handy. The data saver mode denies access to the apps that is running on the background when you are on the cellular network. So that way you get to save data from your cellular network as well. It is a good addition keeping in mind to save your extra data from your cellular networks as well. Speaking of updates, the Android Nougat has introduced a feature of seamless update. It means that all the updates to all your apps will be downloaded automatically in the background and will be stored in a separate section or so as to say in a different system partition. So that way it will not bug you or give you the irritating notifications always when any update for any apps comes. Mind you, no Android update is complete without security protection. With Android 7.0, it has the capability to hardening the media stack so as to restrict the flow of future straight fight style media library stack files. So you get an idea where all the apps or any apps were installed, its source and each and everything. It also supports Java 8. So all the security loopholes are controlled and monitored in this particular Android Nougat. That's it guys, hope this video helps. Stay subscribed to my channel to catch more interesting updates from me. And if this video was useful, do hit the like button below. Bye for now.